Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to get sound from AOC monitor. If you want to get sound from your AOC monitor, then you have few options. First is to check. In window 10, click the volume button, default bottom right on desktop, and then click not the volume slider, but the text just above it, something like real text speaker etc. On that menu, choose the monitor name. Also check that volume in the monitor OSD is set loud enough to hear. On AOC monitors, it is usually just straight arrow button passes. Sometime in monitor OSD, you have to set the speakers on separately. You really should use just about anything else than basic monitor speakers. So first you need to check your AOC monitor sound is on high volume. And you have another option to use the external speakers for your AOC monitor. So you can use an HDMI cable for that. So connect the external speakers using HDMI cable or using the headphone sockets in your AOC monitor. This way you can get the sound to your AOC monitor. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.